왓츠온코리아 오늘의 키워드는 달고나 커피입니다. 안녕하세요. 최유미 전문관입니다.
Hi, I'm Hana, a reporter at korea.net.
우리나라뿐만 아니라 전 세계적으로 사회적 거리두기가 이뤄지고 있는데요. 호주 매체에서도 이 사회적 거리두기가 중요하다고 말하면서 우리도 운이 좋으면 한국처럼 될 수도 있다고 말하기도 했습니다. 이런 상황에서 영국 BBC가 한국의 달고나 커피를 주목했다고 하는데요. 하나 씨, 이게 무슨 내용인가요?
Dalgona became the internet's new favorite drink when Koreans who are spending more time at home these days started sharing their coffee-making adventures on social media. BBC News even created a special Dalgona coffee page on their food section with videos showing you how to make this frothy drink. It was really funny seeing Korean coffee written on the BBC website.
네, 사무실에서도 흔히 보는 커피 믹스가 이렇게 조명받을 줄은 몰랐네요. 하나 씨도 직접 만들어 보셨다고 들었는데 어떠셨어요?
So I tried making Dalgona coffee as part of our Overcome Together challenge, and it was so difficult. They say it takes around 400 stirs till it's done, but honestly it felt more like 1,000. But luckily the end result looked and tasted quite lovely. I mixed it in cold milk and it was just like a latte, but I really had to work for it. Since this coffee takes such a long time to make, I can see why so many people are trying it at home during this social distancing period.
네, 해외 각국에서 이렇게 한국식 커피를 만들어 보고 있다는 게 저는 좀 신기하더라고요.
So some of korea.net's honorary reporters from countries like Russia, Vietnam, and Egypt sent us articles and videos showing us how they made Dalgona coffee at home, and the response was positive in every language. I think it's time to get used to the fact that Korea is trendy. Korea is trendy worldwide.
네, 많은 외신이 이 달고나 커피뿐만 아니라 온라인으로 즐길 수 있는 한국 문화 콘텐츠를 소개하고 있습니다. 코로나19로 문화를 즐기는 방법 자체가 변화하고 있는 것 같네요.
Yes, this is very true. In fact, the Minister of Culture, Sports and Tourism said something similar in a recent interview. He said, "Those who are first to create diverse and high-quality content will be at the heart of this change."
Korea boasts outstanding technology such as 5G wireless communication. I believe our creative people's ideas are limitless. We also have excellent abilities to integrate technology and creativity. They represent advantages and opportunities for us.
구독자 여러분들도 한국 문화 콘텐츠를 온라인으로 즐기시면서 너무 지치지 마시고 슬기롭게 거리두기 하시기 바랍니다.
Stay safe, stay occupied, and stay healthy, everyone. We'll see you next time.